Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess, and today is a very cute DIY. I'm going to share with you how I make this pink jumpsuit from my sister's dress. Here is the dress before. It's quite big for me. It also have two lines under the armpits like this. So first step, I'm going to cut the dress by that line. Next step, I'm cutting two sides of the dress. They will be the front and the back of the pants for the jumpsuit. I use the iron to make the fabric straight before drawing. For the front of the pants, I'm folding the fabric together. Remember to keep the end of the fabric straight. At the end of the fabric, I go to the right 36 cm and make a mark there. Then I'm doing the same for the top of the fabric. Then drawing the line to connect two marks together. From the end of the fabric, I go up 53 cm to make the rectangle. So the rectangle will have the size of 36 cm wide and 53 cm high. Then I'm making a smaller rectangle with the wide is 30 cm and the same height with the previous rectangle, which is 53 cm. At the corner of the big rectangle, I go up 10 cm and make a mark. Then drawing the outline from the small rectangle to that mark. Now we just need to cut by the drawing line, and we will have two pieces of the front pants for the jumpsuit. For the back of the pants, I'm making two rectangles too. The small rectangle is the same size with the small rectangle that we make for the front pants. That will be 30 cm wide and 53 cm high. For the big rectangle, the height we keep the same, which is 53 cm, but the wide will be 41 cm. From the right corner of the big rectangle, I go up 10 cm and make a mark. Then drawing the outline from the mark to connect with the small rectangle. After cutting by the drawing line, we will have the backspan of the jumpsuit. Next step is sewing two pieces of the front and the back of the pant together by the outline. To protect the seam, I'm making the fact overlooking by using another stitching in my sewing machine. Next step, I'm going to connect the front and the back of the pants together. Use the pins to hold them will make you sew easier. And we finish the pants of the jumpsuit. Moving forward to the top of the jumpsuit, I'm going to make the shirt top. So I'm cutting the body of the top to make the body for the shirt top. I will make two rectangles with the size is 19 cm wide and 56 cm high. They will be the front and the back of the top. At the top of the shirt top, I'm folding the fabric double time and sew it to hide the cutting. And here is what we get after sewing. Next step, I'm going to draw the line for the shirring. From the top, I go down 2 cm for the first shirring. The next shirring will be 1 cm apart each other. To make the shirring, I'm using the small elastic band for the bottom seam. Then we just sew normally, it will auto stitch. And here are two parts of our shirt top. Before fix them together, I glue the end of the sewing thread by hand, so the end sewing won't fall down later. Next step is connecting the shirt top to the pants to have the jumpsuit. I connected two sides of the top to two sides of the pants first by the bins, then sew them together. Last step is making the tie for the jumpsuit. I'm using the leftover fabrics when cutting the pants before. You will need 4 pieces of fabric with 5 cm high and 45 cm wide, or longer if you like. Folding them by the bins, then sewing. Remember to sew one end of the tie only. You can use the pencil like I'm using or other stick to upside the tie. Then using the iron to make them straight. Now I'm going to fix the tie to the top of the jumpsuit and hold them together by the pin before sewing. Then we completely finished this DIY. Let's check out the result. I really love this jumpsuit. Not only is so cute, but also is so comfortable to wear. I hope you enjoyed the DIY and going to make one for you soon. Let me know what you think about it in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to check out another DIY. See you in the next video.